Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can see, we have this giant package to unbox. It is from Temu and there is a lot of stuff in here. So much stuff, you guys. So, let's get going. So, I really like Temu. As you can probably tell if you watch my channel. They have all the same things Amazon has pretty well, but at better prices. So you can't beat that. I mean, there's some things that Amazon has that Temu does not have, obviously, but quite often when I find something on Amazon that I'm interested in, I'll check Temu, and they have the same thing for half price or less. So, yeah. Of course, you're still taking a chance, because you never know if if the sellers have just, you know, copied the advertisements from other people. So it looks like we have a bag in a bag. Interesting. Wonder why they do that. That's so funny. So we have a bag in a bag. Oh, there's one thing. Like, there's just one thing in this giant bag that isn't in the other bag. You know what? They probably because I added something on at the end. Yeah, okay. So, let's just look at this first thing. Let's move this aside. I wasn't expecting this. So, it looks like we have a little tiny pair of earrings that are in the shape of paint pellets, which are so cute. And they totally go with the theme of what I purchased today. Now, I think this, yeah, I don't have to use scissors on this one. It's one of those nice little bags that sticks. So let's see if I could get these out. These are super cute. So they look just like they're on acrylic. They're only single-sided, but that's okay. Maybe I'll paint something on the back. Maybe I'll use my acrylic paint and I'll paint like a little flower or something on the back. That would be cute. And use these colors. What do you guys think? Is that something you think I should do? So these are just adorable little earrings that I thought would be super cute because I love watercolors and palettes and acrylics too and gouache, and I love it all. The only thing I haven't tried yet is oil painting. So yeah. These are super cute. Now, I hope you could see these okay. I might have to lighten these up in editing because as usual, I'm recording in the middle of the night. It is almost 1 a.m. It's just, my house is quiet right now, so I thought I'd take the chance. Super cute. So, while you guys look at these, let me find out what I paid for these, if I can find these. Okay, guess how much these cost? $1.07 Canadian. Aren't they cute? So yeah, the only thing I do when I get these kind of earrings is I add those little plastic things to the back, because if I don't, I lose them. I have long hair, and whenever I flip my hair, the hair gets caught in the earring and I'll flip one of the earrings away. So there's those little stoppers. You can get like 1,000 of them for $2 or something on Temu. There's so many of them, and they just kind of stick there and they hold the earring in place. So that's the only thing I really have to add to these. But for $1.07, and I do think I'm going to paint something in these colors. The colors that stick out the most to me are the primary colors, the blue, the red, and the yellow. So I'll try to do something in blue, red, and yellow on the back here in acrylic paint. And I think that would look really cute. Because acrylic paint, they won't fall off. If I wanted to use watercolor, I would have to put watercolor ground on here first, and I don't know if that would stick. I've never tried using it, although that might be a fun experiment, right? Yeah, super cute. All right, $1.07, and I was planning on unboxing more than that, but this was the only thing in that first giant bag, so this is what we're starting with. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and the notification bell, all of those things that help as a channel, and most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, happy shopping, and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys. Go cute.